can you fix this problem on your Photoroom app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, keep going down here, then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Photoroom app. Then you click here on search, then here add Photoroom app. So you add it here, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just click go to your Play Store, click on it, then here you search for Photoroom. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.